Looks like the Gator's back is broken, and you'd be right. He's supposed to be a Flexi-Gator. But, apparently, printing a little bit hotter, will result in this. And I also did kind of speed it up because it's late at night. Sped it up to 200%, and it clearly did not like that. But, wait, don't you leave just yet, because I have made him work before in black. So, let him go. Ain't that nice? So I do have one that works. I made this guy normal speed and everything, and he does do his little bang. He throws it back a little bit and all that. But yeah, I'm gonna try and reprint him in green another time. But obviously I don't need to time lapse that anymore. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed watching this time lapse, because it kind of sucked to record it because I had to use it on my phone, and I got a couple phone calls while I was doing it. And anyways, thank you all so much for watching. See you.